In the near lane, Barry Poole, 69 Cougar Eliminator, 428 CJ 4-speed. In the far lane, Dennis Sachs in a 69 Chevelle 396 350 automatic. The name Barry Poole and Cobra Jet are intertwined in championship superstock racing. A little later, we'll talk with Barry. Poole gets the win, 13:37, 102.38 to 14:84, 90.63. In the near lane, Harry Patterson, 70 Charger, 444 speed. In the far lane, Paul Suloff, 69 Roadrunner, Hemi automatic. Wow, what a hole shot! Suloff wins 13.95, 79.50 to 14.10, 97.19. In the near lane, Richard Bogan, 70 GTO Ram Air 3 4-speed. In the far lane, Joe O'Leary, 70 Chevelle LS5 4-speed. O'Leary gets there first, 13:37, 100.45 to 15:55, 91.37. In the near lane, Pat Krieger, 70 Cyclone Spoiler, 429 SCJ automatic. In the far lane, John Chamberlain, 70 Grand Sport, Stage 1 automatic. Chamberlain wins 13:70, 98.04 to 14:66, 92.40. In the near lane, Jack Schnitzer, 63 Dodge, 426 Max Wedge automatic. In the far lane, Lawrence Conley, 70 GSX, Stage 1 automatic. Conley wins 13:16, 101.69 to 13:60, 101.46 miles per hour. In the near lane, Joel Coxon, a 69 Daytona 440 automatic. In the far lane, Dan Jensen, 71 Pontiac T-37 455 automatic. Jensen gets there first, 13:24, 103.09 to 14:83, 91.74. In the near lane, Mike Banaszak, 69 Grand Prix 428 HO 4-speed. In the far lane, Bill Wills in a 70 Grand Sport Stage 1 automatic. Wills takes the win, 13:61, 99.56 to 15:71, 90.54. In the near lane, John Cherry, 68 Charger Hemi 4-speed. In the far lane, Tom Kelly, 68 Roadrunner Hemi automatic. Kelly gets the win, 13:15, 105.63 to 13:64, 100.33 miles per hour. In the near lane, Dom Morrow, 69 Grand Sport 400 automatic. In the far lane, Bill Wills in his 70 Grand Sport Stage 1 automatic. Wills gets there first, 13:61, 100.33 to 14:74, 91.55 to conclude round 3 of the big block class.